quest. Hunting work site. Got some bear skin and probably some pemmican and other loot. It's got 5 people in it. Let's go ahead and put together an attack on this site. It's right here. So let's go ahead and form a caravan. Jace, who do I want to send? Let's send Ranakaya, Kalod, Swarte, and another melee. Nyx. Let's send 2 stallions so we can carry any of the loot. Travel supplies, bedrolls, herbal medicine, simple meals. Let's add a few more simple meals into this, just in case we get delayed somehow. Items. I don't think there's anything we really need to take here. Yep. 0.3 days. Confirm. Zoom back in. Everybody should go start getting ready for the caravan. May not have been the best idea. We got a ritual opportunity coming up. We'll be back in time. And there goes the group off the map. And away they go. The Rescue of Glasses. Another quest. 50-year-old gatherer. We don't know anything about. He is a 50-year-old gatherer. So gatherers are typically going to be tribal, so we should be able to do something with that. I don't know. We'll see. 50-year-old. I don't know if I need a 50-year-old in the colony. All right, Mad Caribou. How many of them are mad? This is where the tool numbers help, so I can go enemies. It's like, looks like there's 2 caribou. These 2 here. This one has got manhunter. This one's got manhunter. So these are 2 manhunters. So when they wake up, they're going to come up and around over this way, and they're going to try to come through. Actually, they're not going to come through because I've got the door closed. So there's no way for them to get in at this point. So we're going to let them go for the time being. I don't think I need to worry about it. Just got to watch and make sure that nobody goes in the northern section up here, because if they go into the northern section, these guys will attack them. And there's the Festival of Life opportunity. Paid battle. 4 days. Why am I getting all these quests? This is crazy. What's a paid battle quest? Oh. Carpathia, 3 groups of pirates. Once the signal of the pirates draw them away, we'll get attacked by an EMP grenadier, a regular grenadier, 3 mercenary gunners, and 4 pirate gunners. 2 similar size groups will follow afterwards. It's actually a pretty good one. I got 4 days to get this. Orbital power beam targeter, that's pretty good. Hyperweave, that's good stuff there. Bionic legs are always good, make you run faster. This is for psionic users. Same thing with this, plasteel. I don't know, I don't have to take it right now. Let's let this one go also for a little bit until I get Ranakai and his group back from their quest. They're on the world, they're right here, they're on their way, so it shouldn't take them too long to get there. Okay, let's let it go. They're resting overnight right now. Look in here. You see the manhunters are going stupid up here. So this will be good. Ranakaya's team will hit the site that we're going to raid probably first thing in the morning. Visitor. Where's the visitor coming in from? South. Okay, so he doesn't have to worry about getting attacked by the manhunters. Does have some stuff to trade. Who do I have at home that can trade? Borgilda. Where are you, Borgilda? Let's just see if he's got anything worth trading for. Sell the great bow. I want to keep these. Let's go some of this lower limb gear. Just to clear up my inventory. Iffy about the parkas because the parkas are going to help us if it gets really cold. That's too much money. He doesn't have that much money. Let's buy some. There we go. Done. Generating map for the new encounter. Hunting work site. Zoom in here. Okay, here are the bad guys. Ooh, they're like right there. Okay. Let's see what do we got to deal with. Bow. Some bows. Ranakaya here. Sorte doesn't have a lot of range. Bring her here. Kalod here. Nyx over here. And what I'll do is I'll use Ranakaya to pull the bow guy to our melee guys and wipe them out. Okay. So we're gonna skip. Oh, I can't. Too far away. Okay, let's take it up a little bit. There's not a lot of cover here. Let's come this way. This is a guy with a bow. I want to skip him to right over here. Skip. You get skipped to right there. That right? No, do it again. Skip you to right there. Dead. Okay, that worked. Dead. Okay, there's guys with steel equals. I'm not worried about them. Let's take Kai over here, get these guys sort of out in front. This is the archer. Gotta watch him. Ranakaya do another skip. Oh, they're running away now anyway. Okay, good job. Everybody's dead. We did have one person here that was not killed outright. This guy. This guy. So, what's his bio? Is he worth capturing? Underground or torture with iron will. He's good at mining. Mining and melee. That's his health. I might be able to save this guy and capture him and add him to the group. He is iron-willed, which is good. Underground. He'd make a great miner, and I can make him like a mining expert. So he may be someone worth keeping. Jogger, quick sleeper, chemical I don't like chemical fascination. That means they're always trying to use drugs. And he's got an old gunshot wound, so he's no. So Kalod, you go melee that person to death. Sorte, I want you to tend to Comero without medicine. Let's go and check out the loot inside the building. So, all the doors, claim the doors. Let's see. There you go. Kayla got a morale boost for killing that guy because he is bloodlust. Let's allow all the items. And let's see what we got. Okay. Well, I could spend some time and skin these bears to get more bear leather. Bear skin's really worth a lot. We ought to try that. Let's claim the store. There's nothing there. Okay, nothing worth keeping. Alright, who can... I think what I can do is this... Where's the guy that Sorte was? Come with the digger. Health. Okay, he's bandaged up. Let's put him in here. Let's just claim this stuff. Let's take a second here, turn this into a medical spot for prisoners. Have Sorte capture him. No, not Sorte. Sorte, you come. Have Bill here. Butcher Creeker, do forever. Sorte, you come here and butcher at the wooden table. And Kalod, you capture this guy. And you guys can do what you want to do. Where's Nyx? Okay. Oh, hang on. Nyx. We can also deconstruct all of the sandbags, which give us a lot of cloth to take back. Cloth is always good. So we're growing it. And some heal root. have a lot of meat here, but I think I'm just going to leave the meat. Okay. There we go. Marriage is on. Suarte proposed lifelong commitment to Nix. Nix has agreed. The two are now going to get married. All right. Nix and Suarte. What do you know? All right. So let's reform the caravan here. World map. Reform the caravan. Go back to Carpathia. Accept. Let's take. Camaro the Digger. Let's take travel supplies. I don't want the bear meat. It's a lot of bear meat, but I think a lot of it's going to go bad. Take the pemmican. 6 on. Let's take the bear skins. Let's take the cloth. Don't care about this. Don't care about the bows. Don't care about the gear. The only question here is, should we take any of this bear meat with us? What does that do? Half a day to get back. Still half a day to get back. What happens if I take all of it? Half a day. Let's take all of it. And if I take all of it, I mean, that's a lot of bear meat that we can use through the winter. Alright. Send it. So they're going to go ahead and there they are on their way heading back. And if we look at the convoy, we should be able to see... Yep, we got the one guy that's... captured and incapacitated, so, but they're moving pretty good. Let's go back to Carpathia. We got cargo pods. Well, what landed up here? Ah, components. I do need components. Rats, but we had those manhunters up here too. Oh. Are my dogs out there? Is he attacking my dog? Did the dog get attacked? No. Alright, so I do want these components. I'm very short on components. So that means we're going to have to deal with manhunters. So to deal with the manhunters, let's get Lobster, Hilda. Hey, are you attacking my dog? You're attacking my dog! You bastage. Alright. Let's go. Come on, everybody up here, let's go kill the caribou that's attacking my dog. Dogs. Maybe I should put the dogs in a... Where's area 2? It's over here. Let's manage areas. Let's delete area 2. Let's create a new area 2. Expand area 2. Let's put area 2. Crap. Put area 2 inside. Sort of. And let's put our dogs in area 2 so that they don't... I don't know. She's going to be able to kill... what's the caribou doing? Well, she's tearing the caribou up pretty good. I hate having my pregnant dogs attacking caribou. Alright, let's go. Oh, both dogs are hitting it now. Good doggies. Caribou is dead. Are there any other... Where's the other manhunter? We had 2. Nope, that's it. Everybody's done. Everybody eating. And we're good. I'm going to have to bandage up the dogs. Speed it up. Let's wait for the caravan to get back. And then we'll do the Festival of Life opportunity. To do that out in the open. That's an outside event. Lit campfire or ritual spot. Yeah. Let's put a campfire out here. We can do it at the campfire. New puppy. Caravan arrives. Excellent. Yeah, see how they had to go all the way around? Oh, no, Nix. I gotta capture him. I gotta remember to... Oh, and I don't have a bed in here. Alright, so... Furniture. Sleeping spot. Till I can get a bed made. Sleeping spot is going to be for prisoners, and then we'll take, that's a bedroll. We want to make a bed. Don't leave the prisoner laying on the ground. It's getting cold. -4, -5. That seemed to work okay. Where's the horses? These horses are going to have a ton of bear meat on them. But it's 22 in here, so the bear meat's not going to deteriorate. Okay, so that's not too bad. Okay, so that worked pretty well. I'm going to let the recording run for a little while longer here. And let's go ahead and get this campfire built so that we can do the Festival of Life opportunity. Okay. And let's see, gathering spot. It's a gathering spot. How do I kick? Why can't I not kick off the... There it is, begin Festival of Life. Okay, so if we do this, we're going to get 100% participation. Participants, 3 hours. Okay. I only need 10 people, so let's leave Nix out of it, Sorty out of it, and Ranakai out of it since they're asleep. Let these guys do it. We still should get the same factor. Let's go. Everybody will do their little, make their little balloons and, or their lanterns. Oh, isn't it pretty? Come on. Everybody has a party out in the cold. And it was, look, beautiful Festival of Life, and we've got a wanderer that joins. An archer, so he's going to be tribal. Oh, and he's Gavasman's brother. Who's got Gavasman? Oh, he's actually one of these guys. So I can accept or reject. Um, I'm going to go ahead and accept it. We can postpone it, but I'm going to go ahead and accept him into the colony. So here's the guy that arrived, Eelco, and please have a good. So he's an abandoned child, so he's natural. That's good. He's an archer. Guy's a psychopath. Psychopath is not bad. Psychopath just means no empathy. So he doesn't mind if others are butchered or left unburied or in prison. So he can walk past rotting bodies and doesn't have anything. Um, he's a really good shooter, good melee, decent construction, decent crafting. Yeah, I mean this is a win. And he's running around with a poor revolver, and probably has crap gear on him. Yeah, poor Took. All right, so this is okay. That is a good win. I got to make a bed for him somewhere. Gosh, I'm running out of space. Let's take the styling station and reinstall that up here. I'm gonna have to expand the bedrooms, the barracks somehow. Here, somebody here. Can you? No, you can't do it. You're not one of my lobster. Go do that. Let's make a bed here. Make a bed. Go into work schedules. Here's the new guy. Give him high priority for firefighting, patient, basic. We can let him hunt. He's a 4 construction. It's not really that good. I'll leave him on it just in case. Smithing, he's okay with this. And like all new people, he gets to haul things and clean things. I don't want him researching because I got 2 really good researchers. And let's see, the other thing I want to do is assign. Let's make him a shooter. Simple food. No drugs. Have him give him medical, and have him carry some herbal meds. So, boy, that's a win-win. Boy, this colony now has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We got 11 people. I've got one person over here that, as a prisoner, I'm going to try. Oh, he's low resistance too. Let's reduce his resistance. Once we get his resistance rule, no, I think it's will. Reduce his will. Let's go right to convert since it's so low. We'll convert him to our ideology. Let's see, what kind of food do we want to give him? We want to give him simple food. We'll convert him. So that will give us our 12th person, and he'll be, and I think I will make him, if I get him on board, I can make him, since he's an undergrounder, I'll make him, in the ideology, a mining specialist. He has to have at least a mining skill of 6, but he ends up with a lot higher mining speed, and gives him the ability really to do a lot of mining for us with high yield. So that'll be good. He'll be a dedicated miner, and I'm thinking I might mine in. I'm thinking of mining in this way, building stuff over in here. We'll see. I don't want to go too far this way because I don't want people to try to breach or sap through the walls here. So maybe we'll only take it to about here. Okay. I think I'm going to let it go there. Let me go ahead and stop the game, or at least stop the recording for the time being.